Alright guys, today I got 4 stunning iOS widgets for you from Widgy Widgets that are not just sleek and transparent, but actually useful. And the best part, this setup is completely free. Doesn't matter if you have the latest iPhone or the SE, these can totally transform the look of your home screen. Honestly, these widgets look better than Apple stock ones, so that's why I use them. So let me show you what they are, how to set them up fast and easy. Alright guys, this is the first widget that I wanted to show you. It's called Apple Calendar 2.0. This is my favorite medium-sized widget because you got your day's agenda on the left and the month preview on the right. And what makes this super cool and clean is the transparent background, which is way sleeker than Apple's built-in widget. And it's interactive, just tap on it and the calendar app opens right away. Alright guys, we got another medium-sized widget called Pure Minimalism. And the name fits because just look at it. Clean fonts, super tidy layout, clock and date on the top, full weather info on the left, and your calendar view on the right. It even shows the weather, temperature, highs and lows for the day. You got your 5-hour forecast right here, sunrise and sunset all in one place. So if you're a weather nerd like me, you're gonna love this one. This one is pure fire. Just tap on the left to get your full weather app or tap on the right to get your calendar. It's that easy. Alright guys, time to go big. This is a large size widget called Minimal Date and Time, and this one is perfect if you want just a super clean home screen. And as you can see, this widget looks stunning on any iPhone. I'm not sure why it's called that way because there's no time. You just got the big temperature reading right in the center with the date and weekday underneath it. And again, just tap on the temperature and that gets you your weather app, or just tap on the date and that jumps straight into calendar. I mean, this one looks super clean, works super fast, exactly how a widget should feel. Last but not least, my absolute favorite widget called Clean Info. On the top right you get your current day and a friendly greeting based on the time of the day. On the top left you get your next 2 agenda items, and in the middle there's a sleek week preview bar, and on the bottom section a detailed forecast with current temperature, hourly graph, wind speed and humidity. Like, this thing replaces 3 widgets on its own and it looks absolutely amazing. So let me show you how to set this up. It's that simple and totally free if you're using just one widget at a time. We're gonna do this in 5 easy steps and the process is the same for all 4 widgets, so just follow along and you will have this sleek layout in no time. First, what you want to do is grab Widgy Widgets from the App Store if you don't have it yet. It's completely free, so once you download it, just open the app and run through the initial setup. For me, I choose English, metric units, Celsius, kilometers, and set Monday as the first day of the week. Then pick your app icon style and keep tapping continue until you land on the home page. Before we start importing widgets, you need to pick the wallpaper you will be using. This matters for the transparent background to match perfectly. By the way, if you want to use my purple mountain wallpaper, the link is down below in the description. And for the best possible look, I highly recommend switching to large icons. That way there's no app name below the widget, it's super clean. I personally use dark icons only, they just look sleeker on darker wallpapers. Once your wallpaper and icons are set up, Long press your home screen to activate jiggle mode. Swipe to an empty page and take a screenshot. You will need this later for the transparency mode. Now, if you use both light and dark mode, you will need to screenshot the empty home screen in both modes. I only use dark mode, so I will skip the light mode screenshot, but if you use both, don't skip this step. To make it easy, I've uploaded all 4 custom widgets to my Google Drive, so you'll find the links in the description below. Depending on the widget you want, just tap on the link and it will start downloading. And this whole setup process works the same for all 4 widgets. So in Safari, hit download, hit the download arrow, then hit downloads, and this will import it straight into the Widgy. Just make sure to allow any permissions it asks for and hit the back button. Now tap Manage on the bottom of the screen, scroll down to the first empty slot and choose the widget you want to import. Now here you will need to upload the screenshot we took earlier for transparency, so choose the screenshot of the background and hit check mark to import it. Now in this step it will ask you to confirm where the widget will be placed on the screen. Mine is going onto the top. And if you tap yes on apply theme, you can change the fonts here or the color scheme. So I'm going with purple just to match my setup. Now we just need to add it onto the home screen just like any other widget. So add widget and type Widgy. And choose the correct slot. Mine is in medium slot 1, and that's it, you're done. And just look at it, one clean looking Apple Calendar widget. Okay, so let's tap on it to make sure it works. And yep, calendar opens right up. This setup works the same for all 4 widgets, so if you want to try a different one later, just go through the same steps again. Just a heads up, if you're on the free version of Widgy, you can only use one widget at a time, so before importing a new one, just make sure to clear the previous slot first. Alright, that's it for today's setup. Let me know in the comments below which widget are you gonna try. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, it really helps the channel. You all have a fantastic day. I'm Joey and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!